It's real smoky, but still, we're getting to be in the mountains. Walking into White Gap, there is a controlled burn over at mile 54 to 58, which kind of puts a wrench in our works, but we'll figure it out. Probably dry camping. The smoke's getting thick. Makes the sun look cool though.
I left the cap off so we could get through it. I'm going to fill up another one.
Thankful for Pinhoti Outdoor Center giving us water. It's a pretty trail. You can see all the trees that have been down and moved off. It's pretty awesome. That'd be so much work. But stuff like this, that you're glad they came out and did trail maintenance. Look at that. Those are big old trees. Look at all these uprooted trees. This is all the smoke from the controlled fire. Do you see it?
The whole state's filled.
No big deal.
Horizon to horizon.
Ooh, it's thicker over there. But that's what it looked like. Just hiking through the wildfire. Good morning. There's Jeff breaking his stuff down. I'm already ready. Well, I still need to brush my teeth and stuff, but basically ready. It's 6 o'clock on the dot. We're on a mountaintop. Breaking down tents. We got a real pretty little sunrise waiting for us. Break spot. Waterfall. Pinhoti Trail. Jeff.
Pardon me?
Just saying hi.
Oh, okay.
Showing the trail. Having coffee.
I didn't see that. I didn't watch.
Dun, dun, dun. Forest is still on fire. A little bit. We saw the firemen guys though, and they said it was open now. Danger. Seriously. I don't see any other trees in the forest burning like that. Except they're the one that we walked under. Orders Gap Trailhead, Talladega National Forest. Just beautiful. Water source. I've been loving the trail most of the morning. But it just turned into like a rock field. They're all loose and stuff. Shifty. Yeah, so this is the state of the trail now. Pine needles and unstable rocks. Good time. Adams Gap, it's 6 miles. I don't know. I think we're gonna try to do like 9 or 10. Pretty good in after dark. Yesterday, the guy from the Pinhoti Outdoor Center, Nate, he texted me and he was like, oh, how are you enjoying our little mini Pennsylvania? And I was like, ugh, yeah, man. There's a ton of rocks out here. Climbing rocks, shifty rocks, sliding rocks. Goodness. Even the big ones that look like they're gonna be sturdy, because they usually are, nope. Step on that sucker and it's like, oh, little teeter-totter. So, it's been a fun game. But, yeah, I think we're gonna get to like 2,000 feet today. Woo-woo. It's the most elevation I've had in a long time. Isn't that lovely? Anyway, yeah. Chia Mountain Wilderness. I always say the park name's wrong. I'll look it up. We got all the views today. Hey, Pun. Been hiking along that ridge, yeah? Mm-hmm. Chia Wilderness plaque. It's been a good up.
Shows the whole.
Oh, yeah. Up to Katahdin. High heart above Alabama. Yeah, son. State park, camp store, restaurant. Alabama's highest point. Went there, ate food. They really do have really delicious pizza. Chia Wilderness, Talladega National Forest. Want to go mine for gems?
No, I already found some.
Oh. Not going there. Whew. I'm so full from stopping at that place and eating pizza. It was so good. And I had a cup of coffee. And I had a honey bun. I'm sleeping. So this is what I'm walking along right now. It's really nice. She's off to cross this little baby. Another good sunset.
That'd be cool during the day.
Yeah, man. It's awesome.
We're surrounded by wild animals. No, really though, those are coyotes. Spooky.